What's up, everybody? This is Tristan with Reptile Function. Welcome back. I know it's been a little while, but today we have a great video. Pretty awesome. I got a new snake in, and we are rearranging the current room that all the snakes are in, primarily because we just got our rack system. We got a small rack for my bigger females. You got another rack for my smaller females and slash males, my breeder males, and a hatchling rack for this season since we have babies on the way. So sit back, relax, and cue the intro. Back. Before we get into today's video, I'd first like to send out a massive shout out to Levi Reptiles for sending the swag. It's awesome, bro. Comfortable. Go cop it from him. He has a nice logo. Clean merch. It looks great. So first, I'd like to address one thing. I know I haven't been on YouTube for about a month, like 3 weeks to a month. Damn! It's been crazy at work. I also kind of wanted to wait till the rack system came in. We have been purchasing a lot of pickups have been coming, but nonetheless, we're back, we're moving, we're grooving. So be sure to hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. I got my rack from Herptastic Reptiles. They got my work cut out for me, so we're gonna put together this rack, all of them, and then set them up in the room, and from there I'll show you. Is Bonnie in the frame? Okay, and we will, I'm gonna put together the rack, set it up in the room, show you what we used to have. I'll show you the new pickup that I got, pretty excited about. Here goes nothing.
A few moments later.
What's up, everybody? We're back. I don't know how much footage we got of us actually building the rack, but it's obviously the next day. Just got home from work. It took a little bit longer than expected, but nonetheless, I really love this setup we got going. I'll take this. So we got from Herptastic Reptiles, we got basically the silver package of the breeder's package, and the breeder's package consisted of a 10 level, 15 or a 10 level 32 quart, or you can put two 15 quarts on each side to pretty much double the amount of snakes. We got a 24 rack of hatchling, a 24 size hatchling rack, and a 5 tall for my big females. Overall, it wasn't a bad build. It was pretty awesome. It's a big upgrade to what we were doing. This is what we were using. It's definitely served its purpose, and it's time to go. It's time for us to start expanding and knocking out some and making our name for ourselves, pretty much. So yeah, I will say, Herptastic, if you're watching this, I would really appreciate some build instructions. We kind of just winged it, and we figured it out eventually, but that would have made things much better. But earlier in the video, I did say that I had a new pickup, and I figure we'll show it to you guys, especially since today's feeding day. If you guys want to see a feeding video, let me know in the comments, or just like this video and tell me that's exactly what you want to see. Some people are a little iffy with feeding videos. I do feed live, so, but let's check her out. So I apologize for the lighting in advance, because it's not the best lighting, but we're going to fix that. Sydney, can you see her? Really good? You can zoom in. So this right here is a black head, 66% hypo, 50% genetic stripe, female. I just think blackhead is so amazing. I love its darkness. I love her contrast. I'll put up some pictures on my Instagram of her, and you know, we'll get a better look at her. But she is just amazing. Super dark. Contrast is insane. She's still very small. She's about 4 weeks old. The breeder I got her from, awesome dude. I'll be sure to link his stuff in the description. I didn't really get her for the hypo project. As you all know, my main focus is clown pieds and desert ghosts. And next season, I hope to pair this girl with this guy, and that pairing is going to be awesome. And it will be a desert ghost clown pairing. So that's gonna be awesome. Little update on this dude. This dude's growing fast. Shout out to JH Pythons. There's that little highway boy. He's looking good, eating real nicely. Looking like a straight savage. If y'all haven't gotten into the highway, you know, the highway project or that yellow belly complex, do so. It is amazing. It's kind of crazy how only 2 genes do something like that. Since we're talking about the breeding season, we do have eggs on the way. This is Medusa. There she is right there, looking massive as ever. She ovulated, so we should be seeing a prelay shed here soon. She's looking great. We got a lot of stuff. I don't want to pretty much show everything just yet because we still have more coming. And yeah. So if you guys want to see a feeding video, let me know. Thanks for watching. Again, Herptastic Reptiles. Awesome rack system. Built perfectly, recessed edges to put the shelves in. Comes with the heat tape, and it looks fantastic. We should show them the pastel desert ghost one more time, huh? Okay. So this specific rack is for hefty tubs, and I've been using Sterilite, so I have ordered the hefty tubs for this, and then the correct Sterilite for the rest. So that's the reason why there's lids on here. Usually you won't have to, I don't really like using lids, I think they're a pain. But we can show you probably one of my most favorite snakes in the collection at about 960 grams. So I am assuming she will be able to go next season. This is a girl I got from Bob Vu. I don't know like what's with her, but she is absolutely insane. Looks beautiful. It's a pastel lesser desert ghost. And she will be bred to my clown het desert ghost male. So she just looks awesome. Don't want to bug her too much. Today is feeding day. Want to make sure she's the one getting size. But yeah. So yeah, I hope you guys liked that video. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button. I'm a up and coming reptile breeder, getting my name out there. We have crazy projects coming. Nothing but quality. I also breed my rodents, so I do post videos about what it's like breeding rodents, especially in a smaller scale. If you haven't seen the rest of my videos, go ahead and check them. I think we're at 60 subscribers. I know I've missed a couple weeks, but hopefully we can start pumping some videos out. Work's just been a little crazy. That being said, I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your weekend, wonderful day, stay safe, and have a good one. Peace.